Hello guys, in today's video, bold and timeless in classic black. In today's review, the Ulefone Armor X31 Pro features dynamic sphere design that captures the power of nature. It comes just like a storm of a style in the world which Ulefone presents. This is the first 5G smartphone in its affordable Armor X series, designed for users looking for durability without compromising on performance for affordable price. Featuring an excellent 6.56-inch 120Hz refresh rate display, up to 16GB of RAM, night vision, infrared camera and much more is what the new Armor X31 Pro brings in this video review, so let's take a look. The smartphone comes in iconic Armor series packaging, adorned with a striking yellow hue and metallic accents that evoke a sense of robustness and resilience. Inside the box, a variety of accessories not common offered by other brands. So we have here a bunch of paperwork, including this Armor X31 Pro user manual written in many different languages, multifunctional instructions and bunch of other instructions for this phone, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy in Ulefone store, such as various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases, holders, phone mounts and much more that Ulefone offers. We can still find an additional screen protector, which is a temporary glass, even though the phone has already installed a screen protector at the factory. Then we also have a decent strap for easy carrying of phone, SIM pin for opening the SIM tray, USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Finally, we have this 20-watt fast charger, and that would be the contents of this package. Now it's time to look at our smartphone. Ulefone Armor X31 Pro based its design on the idea of combining durability and functionality with the aesthetically appealing appearance tailored to the needs of adventurers and professionals in demanding conditions. Inspired by the thrilling design that captures the power of the nature, such as the storms, the goal of its design is to ensure the device not only withstands the toughest challenges but also looks like it was made for them. In today's review, we have a model in completely classic black color. However, Armor X31 Pro also comes in a slightly more visually attractive green and orange color variants, where the sporty and robust character is highlighted. On the right side, we have the up and down volume button. Below is a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover that guarantees water resistance, there is a SIM tray in which we have a room for two 5G SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. A little lower you notice this orange programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute various functions within phone or compatible applications, such as the ZLPTT walkie-talkie function or any other function in the phone. This button can be activated with a one click, double click or long press, so this one button has three functions. At the bottom there is USB-C port for charging, along with the speaker grills and the microphone hole. At the top, the phone includes a 3.5mm headphone jack and the infrared blaster. As with other models in the Armor series, the Armor X31 Pro can function as a universal remote control for your home, allowing you to manage devices such as the air conditioner, televisions and hi-fi stereo systems through the app on the phone. It can control any device with the infrared connectivity, making it highly versatile. This feature is extremely practical and significantly enhances the phone's value. The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro comes equipped with a 6.56-inch IPS LCD display that delivers outstanding visual experience, while the 720 by 1612 pixel resolution may not sound spectacular on the paper. It still delivers clear and precise image, while the 20:9 aspect ratio ensures a spacious view ideal for multitasking and enjoying multimedia. The display supports a high refresh rate of 120Hz, making scrolling, gaming and navigation extremely smooth and responsive. With a maximum brightness of 800 nits, the display is easily readable even in bright sunlight, making it a perfect companion for outdoor activities. Its wide viewing angle and accurate color reproduction ensure that every video, photo and application looks vivid and attractive. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which provides additional resistance to scratches and impacts, thus increasing durability in all conditions. Whether you are watching your favorite content on Netflix, YouTube or other platforms, the Armor X31 Pro provides eye-strain-free experience, providing seamless entertainment at all times. Sony's 60MP front camera stands out as a perfect tool for occasional selfies and quality video calls, while face unlock technology ensures practical and safe device unlocking. On the back we find the triple camera system and two LED lights. Featuring a main Sony IMX682 sensor and enhanced photo modes, the Armor X31 Pro delivers a comprehensive 360-degree photographic experience. Its 64MP main camera captures stunning images with exceptional resolution and intricate details. Sony's 25MP IMX550 night camera with the infrared light, which enables clear recording in conditions of total darkness, deserves special attention. It's a ideal tool for night adventures, wildlife watching or security purposes, providing sharp and clear photos and even without the presence of natural light. For lovers of macro photography, there is also 2MP macro camera. Additionally, the Armor X31 Pro supports 2K video recording, providing clear, smooth and professional quality videos. This versatile camera system will meet the needs of both enthusiasts and professionals at work. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out a few samples that we took using our Armor X31 Pro camera, so let's take a look. The Armor X31 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset. Renowned for its exceptional performance and efficiently built on a 6nm process, this chipset combines power and effortlessly handling everyday multitasking and demanding gaming. The 8-core CPU and advanced Armor G57 MC2 GPU ensures smooth and lag-free performance across various applications and games. Whether you are managing multiple apps or engaging in intense gaming seasons, the Armor X31 Pro delivers the speed and reliability you need. The device boasts a substantial 8GB of base RAM, expandable to 16GB with additional 8GB of virtual RAM, ensuring even faster and more efficient multitasking. It also offers the generous 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage, providing ample space for photos, music files, and applications. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Armor X31 Pro's remarkable performance with its price range. Running on the latest Android 14 operating system, the Armor X31 Pro features a clean, intuitive user interface with the new themes, AI-generated wallpapers, and privacy updates to safeguard your health, safety, and data. The phone comes with free of bloatware, pre-installed applications with essential Google applications for streamlined experience and a seamless integration into the Google ecosystem. Additional practical tools include a System Engine Optimizer and always useful toolbox and a classic wireless FM radio, things that are particularly useful for outdoor scenarios. Notable features of the Armor X31 Pro include the NFC support for convenient Google Pay transactions, Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced connectivity, and a robust GPS system with the multi-satellite network supports such as GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, QZSS, so you can always know where you are and where you are going. The phone excels in reliability for calls, data transfer, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The phone comes with the robust 6050 mAh battery, which ensures exceptional endurance and reliability through the day, and even longer with 20-watt fast charging. So we have up to 36 hours of talk time and up to 8 hours of video viewing, or even 336 hours on standby. This device is equipped with the independent flashlight with a power of 120 lumens located at the back of the device, making it practical tool in low-light situations or emergencies. Thanks to its long-lasting battery, the flashlight can work for a long time without worrying about running out of power, making it an ideal companion in unexpected situations and night activities. The Armor X31 Pro features a rugged design that feels solid in the hand. Its constructions meet IP68, IP69K water and dust resistance standard, allowing immersion in water up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. And resistant to drops from heights of 2 meters in accordance with the military STD 810H standard. The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro combines ruggedness and modern technology, providing a device that is both tough, versatile, and available at an extremely affordable price in its class. With the impressive camera system, long-lasting battery, powerful processor, and rugged design, this smartphone is perfect for adventurers, workers in demanding conditions, and anyone who wants a device that can rely on. If you are looking for a smartphone that can handle all the challenges of life without breaking the bank, the Armor X31 Pro is the right choice for you. Join the community of satisfied users and discover what it means to have a device you can rely on in every situation. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get your brand new Ulefone Armor X31 Pro today while you have a chance. Thank you for watching, feel free to click like or even subscribe, and see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.